Everyone's talking about AI side hustles, faceless YouTube channels, AI apps, drop shipping. But there's a one-person AI business almost nobody mentions. And it works even if you have zero audience, zero followers, and zero tech skills. People are making $2,000 to $10,000 a month completely alone. Some started with no one to sell to. Let me show you how. I'm Jillian Leslie. I've spent 7 years helping creators build online businesses. My husband and I founded MiloTree. It's a platform that lets you sell digital products without a website and without complicated tech. I've watched thousands of people try to make money online, and most overcomplicate it. What I'm about to show you is the exact opposite. Here's what nobody tells you. Building an AI app, you need coding skills. Faceless YouTube, oversaturated. AI art on Etsy, the market crashed. But here's the bigger lie. Build an audience first, then sell. Well, you know what? If you could do that, that's great, but that takes months, years, and most people quit before making $1. So this business flips that. You create the product first in an afternoon and then use free traffic strategies that bring buyers to you. No audience required. The business is what I like to call a digital product stack. Most people think digital products mean a $400 course that takes months to build. What's actually working today? Small products. A $9 to $27 product, a template pack, email scripts, a business planner, AI prompts for a specific niche. At that price, these are what I like to call impulse buys. People don't need to trust you yet. They search for a solution, they find your product, and they buy it. Nobody asks who made the wrench. They just need the wrench. So one product might make $200 a month, but if you have 10 different products for the same audience, that's $2,000 to $5,000 a month, and you can create each one in an afternoon. Okay, this is the part though everyone skips. So you've made your product, and now how do people find it? Here are 3 free strategies. The first one, Pinterest. Pinterest is the most underrated traffic source. We made $500 from a single pin promoting party printables, and here's why it works. Pinterest isn't social media. It's a search engine. People type real estate email templates or wedding planning checklist. Those are digital products. So you make a pin in Canva that takes, say, 10 minutes. You're going to link that pin to your sales page, and I'm going to talk about your MiloTree sales page and why that's so effective. Then, when people search, your pin shows up. I have pins from 2 years ago that still drive sales. So once it's working, you see it working, you can spend $2 a day on ads to scale, but start free. The next way to get traffic is to find Facebook groups. So find 3 to 5 groups where your audience hangs out. So for real estate agents, it might be new real estate agents or women in real estate. Now, do not drop your sales page link and run, because that'll get you banned. So be careful, but you want to answer questions. You want to be helpful. When someone asks how to follow up with clients, you answer it. And then you mention that you have a template pack. Some groups even have promo days. So one good post could drive 50 people to your page. Now, third way to get people to find your product is to find 3 or 4 other sellers in your niche selling digital products. So you do a bundle sale together. You bring your products, they bring theirs, you cross promote, you get instant access to their audience. And this is how you end up getting your first customers, your first 100 email subscribers. So remember, you need to be where people are already searching. Let me show you how fast you can create a product. I asked ChatGPT to find me product ideas, and I'm using something I call my product stack prompt. It tells AI exactly what to look for. Products people are already searching for on Pinterest and Google. So you can grab it for free. The link is in the description, and let me walk you through it. Here it is. Generate 10 small digital product ideas for, and you're going to add your niche, between $9 and $27. Focus on templates and scripts, guides, and checklists that solve specific problems people actively search for on Pinterest and Google. For each product idea, include 1, the product name, 2, the specific problem it solves, 3, primary purchasing trigger. So these are the triggers that make people buy. And you're going to prioritize make money and save money. These convert best and command higher prices. Now, the other options, these are the other triggers: save time, move toward happiness, move away from pain, raise social status. Number 4, why someone would buy this right now versus figuring it out themselves. And 5, a one-sentence marketing hook. Keep in mind, these products need to target searchable problems, things people are already looking for solutions to, not ideas they need to be convinced they need. Okay, see that last line? I'm telling AI to think about searchability from the start. Traffic strategy is baked right into the product. Now, the next step, I have AI write the actual content for my product. So here's the next prompt. Write 15 professional client follow-up email templates for new real estate agents. So include the initial meeting follow-up, after showing a property, after an open house, a just checking in sequence, and a referral request. Make them warm but professional. Now you're going to take the results, you're going to drop this into an easy Canva template, and within 45 minutes, you've got a $17 product that you can sell forever. And I'm going to show you how to set this up in MiloTree because this is truly the easiest platform to use. Here I am in my MiloTree dashboard. I'm going to click on this button that says Digital Download. I'm going to give it a product name, a price, a short description. I'm going to upload my PDF file right here because MiloTree is going to automatically deliver it to my customer. Now here is the best part. I click this button and I have an AI generated sales page. I can swap in images, I can tweak texts and colors, but I could have an entire sales page ready to go, optimized for selling in 10 minutes. So no website needed to use MiloTree because I then get a link to my sales page that I can share everywhere. And I promise you, no tech headaches. So you're going to make a Pinterest pin for your product. You're going to link your Pinterest pin to your MiloTree sales page. You're going to then click publish on Pinterest and you are done. Here's what becomes a real business. That email template pack is for new real estate agents. That same afternoon or the next day, create more products. You could create first 90-day checklist for $9, a social media caption pack for $12, an open house planning template for $9, a client onboarding packet, $17. Now each one gets a separate Pinterest pin. You've got 5 products showing up in 5 different searches. And with MiloTree, you can bundle your products together so you can sell them separately or together. You can add order bumps on the checkout page. These are usually small, complimentary products that people can tick a box and purchase. You can add upsells after someone purchases, also with the tick of a box. These are usually more expensive products. So someone buys the $17 email template. MiloTree offers them the caption pack for $12 more. That $17 customer now becomes a $29 customer with one click. That's the stack. That's a real business. This is how you start creating a customer journey. This is your first sales funnel. So here's the plan. One weekend, use AI to create those 5 digital products. Make a Pinterest pin for each one. Hang out in a few Facebook groups. Try a bundle collab. This way, you're not filming videos all the time. You're not showing up on Instagram every day. No managing clients, no inventory. People find your products and they buy. You wake up to sales notifications. That's the one person AI business nobody is talking about. It is the easiest path to your first $1,000 online. So grab the product stack AI prompt below. And if you want the easiest way to sell your products, sign up for MiloTree. It's simpler and cheaper than Kajabi, Teachable, all of them. It's built for people who want to move fast. Start free, no credit card. The link is in the description below. And in my next video, I'm sharing the top 5 digital products people are selling in 2026 and having success. I'll see you there.